Imagine your dream trip is booked for summer 2026. You send in your passport for a simple renewal, and 8 weeks later, you get a letter. Application denied. No passport, no trip, and no refund. 2026 is projected to be a record year for travel, and the State Department is stricter than ever. Today, I'm showing you the 5 specific mistakes that are getting travelers rejected right now, and mistake number 1 is something most people think is perfectly fine. Mistake number 1. The damage subjectivity trap. There is a massive difference between wear and tear and damage. Fanning pages or a slightly bent cover, that is usually fine. But if there is any water damage, a tear on the data page, or loose binding, do not mail it. If you mail a damaged passport using Form DS-82, they will reject it and keep your fee. You must apply in person using Form DS-11 if there is any significant damage. Mistake number 2. The 15-year math error. Many travelers assume expired simply means renew by mail. This is wrong. You can only renew by mail if your last passport was issued less than 15 years ago. If your old passport expired in 2010 and you are trying to renew it in 2026, you cannot use the mail-in form. You are technically a new applicant again. Mistake number 3. The child renewal myth. This one ruins family vacations every single day. Parents often try to renew their 14-year-old's passport by mail because that's how they do their own. But listen closely. There is no such thing as a renewal for a child under 16. It is always a new application, in person. And if both parents aren't there, you need a notarized consent form, or you will be turned away instantly. Mistake number 4. The DIY photo fail. Taking your own photo against a white wall seems easy, but it is the most common reason for delays. Glasses on? Rejected. Shadow behind your ear? Rejected. Just go to a pharmacy or post office and pay the fee. It is not worth the risk. Mistake number 5. The fee confusion. Passport fees change. If you send a check for the 2024 price in 2026, the machine rejects it instantly. Always use the fee calculator on the official government site before you write that check. And finally, a bonus tip that could save your entire trip. Even if you get your passport, check the expiration date. Many countries will not let you enter if your passport expires within 6 months of your arrival. Don't let a piece of paper ruin your 2026 plans. Check your dates right now. If this saved you a headache, hit like and subscribe for more travel updates. Safe travels.